Once upon a time, my mentor said something very interesting to me when we're having a one-on-one talk. We're sitting down at a table, literally in a coffee shop, and I was just telling him about all these things I had going on in my life and how my sales were, I don't know, we're having like a talk about sales and my team. And then he stops me and he goes, Molly, don't talk about your problems, talk about your solutions. Tell me, what are your solutions? Bring that up. I don't want to hear much about the problem part. I want to hear more about what you're doing to solve it. And I remember sitting there being a little bit offended, but at the same time, I think something just changed in my mind. Okay, this is my lip gloss, by the way. But yeah, I remember being like, that's actually something very interesting. What are your problems? What are your solutions against what are your problems? And that got me thinking. I remember literally writing it down after he said it, even though I felt kind of like a sting, honestly. But it worked out for the best because now that I think about it, it's so true. There is no point. It does not serve anyone to talk about their problems. It doesn't really. Sometimes it's healthy. I know venting has a lot of good psychological effects and talking about your problems, but from a business perspective, from a sales perspective, from a perspective of someone who wants bigger for themselves, you want to be talking about the solutions maybe 80% of the time, like way more than the problem part of it, because it's very important. And obviously identifying problems is important, but talking about the solutions is where all the gold lies, okay? Because that's when you start being creative, that's when you start brainstorming, that's when you find different things that help you to turn situations to your advantage, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was super duper powerful, and I was thinking about that today. Your solutions are more important than your problems. Okay, so the next time you have this huge issue, sit down, take out a book, take a pen. I'm always saying this, put things on paper, write down my solutions for this thing. I will do X, Y, Z. I will get this done. By this day, I'll have this done. This and that. Write down your solutions, and you'll feel way better about it and you'll get way more done, okay? So that's my tidbit for today. Obviously, if you ask yourself, oh my god, why are you dressed like this? Why do you have this board behind you? I was recording for my academy, guys. I was recording for my girls in my community, for literally the most beautiful women on earth, okay? So I'm also taking coaching clients. I wanted to mention that, and I'll leave a link in the description. It's completely free. It's just like a 30-minute call with you guys to just like trying to help some people out. Maybe I have a lot of slots available for next week, which is good because I freed up my calendar. So yeah, just make sure to click on the link and you can book some time with me and we can talk about your goals and about being disciplined and all of that. So see you guys. Bye.